one of the reasons we actually chose Monroe as a location is because they have a very good water profile. They pull from the same aquifer as Hamilton, which is consistently rated some of the highest drinking water in the world. We do not have to treat our water very much, which is very good. As kind of an example of why water matters, have you ever had, like distilled water and then had well water? The taste is completely different. So if we brewed beer using either distilled water or well water, the beer, even if we do it the exact same way without this water, it would taste different. We actually do something a little interesting for one of our beers, the Controla Czech Pilsner. It's not from the Czech Republic, but we imported the malt and the hops from the Czech Republic, and we also altered the water profile to match that of Pilsen, so we could get the most authentic beer possible. One day he submitted one of his barrel-aged beers. He was a home brewer, but still was kind of getting into the more advanced things like barrel-aged beers, to the Sam Adams Long Shot competition. Anyone doesn't know, it's a national home brewing competition in which the 3 finalists go to a beer festival in Colorado and get their beer mass-produced and placed into a 6-pack. Unfortunately, because the beer was barrel-aged, they couldn't mass-produce it, but he still got to go to Colorado. And he met all these wonderful craft beer industry heads, and he kind of noticed they all started the same way that he did, with a bucket in their basement and, a lot of passion. So he came back to Cincinnati and he started Rivertown. Jason's, I think, been brewing about 20 years now, so it's very exciting. But the reason we start in the barrel room is because Rivertown was basically willed into existence by barrel-aged beer. So we start here in the barrel room, which we still barrel-aged beer, probably at a larger scale than Jason used to. We have about 250 barrels right now. And the barrel aging process has to deal with souring, sour beers, in a process called spontaneous souring. With spontaneous souring, we have some types here, sour, main, and sour. So wort will come through this pipe, and we'll actually load it up into one of these 2 giant oak barrels. These are called fooders. They just kind of sit with the top open. And bacteria that's naturally occurring in the air, yeast that's naturally occurring in the air, will float down into it. And it's what we call our house funk. You're actually all contributing to the house funk right now. Congratulations. So everyone